Hello, this is Kara coming to you from the Hiddenite Arts Heritage Center and this week's announcements. First off, our ongoing classes. Of course, we have line dancing on Monday nights from 6:30 to 9, $5 at the door, great for beginners or advanced. We also have jam classes, our junior Appalachian musicians on Tuesdays, as well as our kids art classes, which are after school on Thursdays. Also on Thursdays and Mondays and Tuesdays, we've got pottery. For both pottery, kids art, and jam, give us a call to check out availability. Looking ahead into some fun events that we've got coming up, on Friday, October 24th, we have candlelight tours. Even if you've been to the mansion 100 times, I guarantee you've never seen it quite like this. It is quite the experience to get your tour in the night, in the dark, in the Lucas Mansion. It's pretty cool. We also have a Christmas painted barn quilt class on November 14th from 10 to 2. That is a Friday. So if you need something to do on a Friday afternoon, you can check us out online or give us a call to get your spot reserved. Also, one of the most fun things that we do, we have the Kids Market on Saturday, November 15th. If you're a kid entrepreneur or you know a kiddo that likes to make things and sell things, this is for them. Again, check us out at hiddenitearts.org for some more information. The last thing I've got today is breaking news. It is our Christmas open house. This year it is see you there. Keep a lookout for more information.